Girls, we got us some treats. Okay, y'all have never tried this brand, but we gonna try something new today, okay? Y'all let me know how y'all like it. Pearl, you wanna try? Y'all ready? Oh, and if you didn't know, Manna-Pro was designed to give all the nutrients your babies need. Get you some grubs up. Oh, I think it's a go. I think it's a go. Okay, girls. Oh. I think they cleaned my hands dry. One more time. Let's make sure. Oh, oh. Come on, so everybody can get some, girls. Oh. It's hopping happy? It make you want to hop over another chicken? Oh. Okay. Well, sounds like Manna-Pro is for the win. Head over to your Tractor Supply and grab you a bag of Superworms with beetles and grubs. Because I'll say this, they are chicken approved, okay? The girls like it. What? Well, okay, we're gonna have to get another bag. Tractor Supply, Block Party, they love it. They going crazy.